Alright guys, I'm getting ready to pour the top of this fire pit seating. I have it all framed out and ready to go. I'm using a concrete countertop mix that I found online. I'll link it in the description of this video. It uses regular Quikrete. You add a little bit of extra Portland cement, as well as some fibers, some glass fibers, some Alpha Pro fluidizer. This will make it use less water and still flow, and some acrylic fortifier. So basically you put the Quikrete in, then you put an extra Portland cement, then you put the fluidizer or plasticizer in. It's dry. Then you mix it up dry. Then you add the acrylic polymer and water. Takes very little water to make this. We'll be mixing it up here and putting it in the wheelbarrow and then shoveling it into there. There's my birds. I also have this fiberglass mesh that'll help hold it together. This is a 2-inch frame. It's going to be a 2-inch top on this fire pit seating. Extra cement, plasticizer, fluidizer. Now I'm going to use this concrete vibrator to kind of vibrate it and remove all the air bubbles and help it settle into some of the cracks and stuff. Yeah. This is my first time using fiber, adding fiber to concrete. I'm not sure if I added too much. Said like a small handful or a golf ball size handful, but I can still see the fibers. So I don't know if I put too much in here or what, but can't do it. Can't change it now. I'm gonna go ahead and put my cracks in here. Alright, so it's the next day. You can kind of see the fibers in here, so I don't know if I added too much. I think I did add too much, or it just they kind of come to the top. I'm going to remove the form and then eventually probably hit it with a sander. See if that'll remove the hair texture on it. Here is the finished top of the fire pit seating. I'm not 100% happy with it. It turned out kind of rough, but overall it works, and I'm going to end up sanding it down a little bit and filling in some of the air bubbles with some cement. I might do an update later after I put the sealer on it, and thanks for watching.